In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grow a Facebook group with Facebook ads. This process may seem daunting at first, but I promise you'll find it straightforward once we break it down together step by step. First, you need a Facebook page because it's a crucial requirement to run ads. If you haven't set one up yet, no worries. It's a simple process. Navigate to Facebook, hit the Create button, and follow the prompts to set up your new page with relevant details about your business or community. Once your page is up and running, it's time to create or link your existing Facebook group to this page. By doing so, you're streamlining the process of managing your group and ads under one umbrella, making the upcoming steps much more manageable. Next, you'll head to the Ads Manager on Facebook. If you're unfamiliar, this is your central hub for creating, managing, and monitoring your ads. Click on Create to begin crafting your ad campaign. Choosing the right campaign objective is key. You'll want to select either engagement or traffic. Each option serves a distinct purpose. Engagement is excellent for boosting interactions such as likes, comments, and shares, whereas traffic is aimed at driving more people to a specific destination, like your Facebook group in this context. Now onto one of the most crucial elements of your ad, the content. Use an eye-catching image or captivating video paired with compelling text that underscores the value of joining your group. Think about what unique benefits or exclusive content you're offering that would entice someone to become a member. Clarity is vital here. Ensure your message aligns with the interests and needs of your potential audience. After drafting your content, you'll paste your Facebook group's invite link into the destination URL section of your ad. This direct link is where your interested audience will land after engaging with the ad. However, it's important to note that sometimes Facebook might restrict direct links to groups. In such cases, consider using a landing page or lead magnet as a workaround to capture your audience's interest and direct them toward your group. Once your content and links are in place, set your target audience, budget, and schedule for the ad. Take your time here. Facebook provides various targeting options such as demographics, interests, and behaviors. So tailor these settings to align with your group's niche and goals. Decide on a budget that's sustainable yet effective, and choose a schedule that gives your ad the best chance of reaching your target audience when they're most active. Finally, you'll go ahead and publish the ad. With these steps, your Facebook group is now primed for growth through a well-targeted and attractive ad. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide empowers you to expand your Facebook community with confidence. See you in the next video.